This is my most difficult crazy hair day. I'm just combing this. You want this to be straight up the bottle, front and back. And I'm doing this with wet hair, nice and slicked. This is good. Hair tie. Tie this right over the cap. Now take another one. Okay, now expose the cap. We want that cap. And one more time, send this straight down. Next, I have some mini lights. So I forget which part of the brain is the mathematical and logical side, but that's the part I don't have. Wrapping this around, which does help tighten this whole thing up a bit. Nice and neat, clip this in. And I decided I'm doing 2 lights for this. Good, and now you should be able to see this. This is where things get interesting. I've got a paper plate. This is some felt. I'm going with pink. You'll need a hot glue gun. I'm adding hot glue all over this paper plate and sticking this right on top, smooshing it in, and we will get the inside too and flip this over. Now I'm just trimming this off. You won't see this, so don't worry about it. I'm using a little extra piece here to just cover this bottom, and I'm just pinning that in. Good so far. This is a mini fidget spinner. And now for the hard part. Add some hot glue and set this little guy right on top. Okay, so now I'm gonna finish this off. I'm adding some more glue. The bottom will be orange. Press that in. And I just want a little scalloped border. This is gonna look so cute. And I am hot gluing that around the paper plate. All right, this looks really cute. Now this is some poster board. I'm going all out for this. I am gluing 2 pieces together, adding some more glue, and putting a little sitting person in there. Pinch good. Now he has a little seat. I attached him to some string. Obviously he had to have friends, and one of those friends is very big. And they're all getting string. And I'm just straightening this string. This really helps. All right, now all my little guys are hanging from my paper plate. We're almost done. I cut out some little hearts. I thought that would look cute on top. And now this is the cap to my allergy medicine, and that will be perfect for the middle. Now this thing spins. One last time, we're adding hot glue, and I'm setting this right in the middle and pushing down. Time for the lights. I have 2 sets. All right, and now we have some carnival hair. I wanted this to look like one of those carousels. So yeah, this is where my free will took me today. Now just push that in. I am feeling very baby spice right now. Push that in. If I can pull this off, I think this will be my best one. Now I have a second set. I made it with 2 types of popsicle sticks. So I'll go ahead now and stick this in the back. Just push it down in here also, and I'll pin this again. Believe it or not, this feels really sturdy. So now grab your pigtail, and I am wrapping it through, cross over. I'm gonna do it again. And there we go. The back is done. Now for the hard part. Next I have lights. Add this right in, and I'm tucking it behind so you can't even see it. Just pull it through. That looks good. I did some on the front and some on the back. I'm using this pink cardboard. I think that'll look good. Cutting 2 pieces into a circle, and I'll use this one to cut another one. I want them to be a similar size. This is where it gets interesting. I'm using these for the most important part here, and you'll need a good amount. I'm using a hot glue gun to glue these together. There we go. Give it a good pinch. Not bad. We'll get a dot right in the middle and add that on. I've never brought out my drill for a hairstyle, but there's a first for everything. Woo! Did it. Perfect size hole. It's getting weird here, people. Adding some hot glue again. Both sides of a stick. I started gluing these together. So here's my next one. I did do a little measuring first, which is unusual for me because I have 100% wing it energy. All right, we did it. This looks good. Now for some cardboard. Cut it in half, add some glue, glue these together. This looks like an airplane seat, which says a lot that this is what it feels like you're sitting on in an airplane these days. My weirdness isn't done. Mr. Bear is gonna sit right here. He's cute. I'm gonna drill a little hole. I have some zip ties, and I'm zipping him right on top. I'll snip that off. I'm adding my last bear. Now I'm gonna grab a big stick and send this through both holes. Time for the lights. I'm gonna need to angle this up. Woof! Moment of truth. If you haven't guessed it already, obviously I made this up. So I have no idea if this will work or not. This needs to wedge in there. And now we have Ferris wheel hair for crazy hair day. Honestly, I'm shocked by this. This might be my best crazy hair day invention. And now I have one little design flaw. So we are adding some extenders. There we go. Add some hot glue and we'll pinch this together. I'm going rogue here. I am snipping these a little shorter. I'm in my mad scientist era. We did a lot of engineering here. I finally realized that the Ferris wheel has to go inside my hair. So I made this smaller and I extended this up a lot, but now this spins.